Welcome to another exciting video. In today's video we'll walk you through the fundamental stages to assist you with making your most memorable dollar on the web. 1. Discover your passion. The first step in your online journey is to identify your passion. What are you genuinely interested in? Whether it's photography, writing, fitness, or cooking, finding a niche that aligns with your interests will make the process more enjoyable. Remember, your passion is the foundation for your success. 2. Research your market. The most vital phase in your web-based venture is to distinguish your enthusiasm. What are you really inspired by? Whether it's photography, composing, wellness, or cooking, finding a specialty that lines up with your inclinations will make the interaction more pleasant. Keep in mind, your enthusiasm is the establishment for your prosperity. 3. Choose your platform. Then, pick the stage that lines up with your business objectives and interest group. Whether it's beginning a blog, sending off an internet-based store, or making a YouTube channel, select the stage that best suits your substance and empowers you to really interface with your crowd. Keep in mind, every stage enjoys its extraordinary benefits, so pick carefully. 4. Create valuable content. Quality written substance makes all the difference in the web-based world. To draw in and hold your crowd, make significant and connecting with content. Share your insight, experiences, and ability through blog entries, recordings, webcasts, or web-based entertainment refreshes. Consistency is key here. Offer predictable benefit, and your crowd will want more and more. 5. Build an engaged community. As you begin creating content, center around building a draw-in local area around your image. Energize cooperation, answer remarks and messages, and encourage significant associations with your crowd. A dependable local area won't just help your process yet additionally become advocates for your image, assisting you with contacting a more extensive crowd. 6. Monetize your passion. Presently, it is the ideal time to transform your enthusiasm into benefit. Investigate different adaptation systems, for example, member advertising, supported content, selling advanced items or administrations, or in any event, making on the web courses. Try different things with various ways to deal with. Find the ones that turn out best for your specialty and crowd. 7. Continuously learn and adapt. The internet-based scene is continually developing, so it's vital to continue learning and adjusting. Remain refreshed on industry patterns, investigate new advances, and refine your abilities. Embrace change as a chance for development, and forever turn your systems when required. 8. Stay persistent and patient. Building an effective internet-based business takes time, exertion, and tolerance. Rome wasn't underlying a day, and neither will your web-based domain. Remain constant, in any event, when confronted with difficulties and mishaps. Trust the cycle, gain from your encounters, and continue to push forward. Your most memorable dollar online is only the start of an interesting excursion. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards making your first dollar online. Embrace the adventure, stay dedicated to your vision, and watch as your online business thrives. Remember, success comes to those who are willing to put in the work and never stop learning. For more creative content, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel and connect on my social handles in the description below.